Here I have Google Nest Hub Max, and today I'm going to show you how to access Equalizer on this device. So firstly, you will have to open the Google Home app on the device to which your hub is connected. Then access your hub through this app. And here next to the gear icon, you have this switches icon, and this is how you can access the Equalizer. As you can see, this Equalizer is pretty poor. You can only change its treble here and its bass, and no more other settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.